How to add a credit card to your OneXBet wallet. First of all, open your OneXBet app and sign in using your registered account details. Next, go to the menu section and tap on Settings at the top right corner. Then, select Top Up Account. Here you will see several options, including Credit Card. Now enter your credit card information, including the 16-digit card number, expiry date, and the CVV security code. Be sure the cardholder's name matches your OneXBet account to avoid rejection during verification. After you have entered the details, tap on Confirm. In some cases, you may be asked to complete a verification step by entering a code sent by your bank. Once successfully verified, your credit card will be added to your OneXBet wallet, allowing you to fund your account easily whenever you need to. And that's it. Now you know how to add a credit card to your OneXBet wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.